Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng iPhone 14 Pro Max. So, tingnan natin. I opened this already, the box earlier, but I didn't open the phone. Tingnan natin kung ano yung sa loob. Look at that goes. Purple. So, ito lang yung ano, kasama niya. What's in here? Yeah, the pin for the SIM card. And I think the charger. I think the charger is the same with my iPhone 11. Yeah. Yeah, that is the same. And then only this. Oh wow, it's so shiny. Look at that. How I open this, babe? I open, not open, turn on. I think I need to charge. Bonjour. What is bonjour?
Hello, it's French.
Hello. Swipe up. English. Australia. Sit up manually. Okay guys, I think that's it. So this is what's look like. And I will set it up this. And I will use this when my case arrive, and I will put this eye screen protector. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.